This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we are continuing with the leg that we've been starting on, building up. We're actually doing a little self-contained part in this one by the looks of it. Now, Robocop, a new Robocop, true to his legacy. That's not the 2000s Robocop. So, in the sequel, has an iridescent sheen, bluish. Oh, it's Robocop 2. He's got a slightly bluish armor. There we go. I'll have to go back and watch Robocop 2 again. I did watch 1 fairly recently, but I'm going to have to go back and watch 2 and 3. And the Prime Directive series and the new one as well, but yeah, not today. Today I'm going to be doing some building, not very much though. We've just got a little detail piece to put into the first of the upper leg pieces, the inside leg. So not much to build. Before we get to it, we're going to look at Toyota's Violinist. Yeah, I mean, violin's very difficult instrument to play, but you need a lot of finger dexterity, or yeah, he has actually got fingers, so that's a good way of testing and demonstrating dexterity in the fingers. Stem cells, I'm aware of stem cell design, not really the design of it, but manipulation, isn't it? There we go. Types of stem cells according to their potential. I didn't know that there were different types of stem cells, but it's nice to see something about that. But yeah, that's quite cool. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get the build done. Yep, so we've got from last time, from this time we've got 2 parts, a big metal piece and the smaller plastic piece. Basically the small plastic piece goes in there. It will only go in one way around due to the 3 holes that we've got. Pushes in slight angle like that, and this is going to be the inside of the right leg. So that is it's the inside of the outside of the right leg. Can't be the outside because that's where his gun's going to go. So it must be the inside, and that's going to be the bit that goes down from the yes, because the back's got to be more open because it's got a hinge to where it goes. So that will be going on there. Obviously, this all attaches up to the bracket. Once we're ready to do that with the next piece. So for now, that is that. I can't wait to do the outside bit with the holster, because that's interesting me as how that's going to work. But now that is that completed. So I shall see you for the next part very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.